Hello everyone, this is Shivika. With this poem, welcome back to English class. Students, in a busy life, no one has a time to enjoy the beauty of nature and beautiful things in the world. People have no time to appreciate the good things. People are not spending time for themselves. With these lines, I am going to recite this poem one more time. The name of the poem is Sing a Song of People, written by Louis Bensky. So let's start. Sing a song of people walking fast or slow. People in the city, up and down they go. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus, people passing in back and front of us, people on the subway, underneath the ground, people riding taxis round and round and round, people with their hats on going in the doors, people with umbrellas when it rains and pours, people in tall buildings and in stores below, riding elevators, up and down they go, people walking singly, people in a crowd, people saying nothing, people talking loud, people laughing, smiling, grumpy people too, people who just hurry and never look at you. Sing a song of people who like to come and go. Sing of city people you see but never know. Let us start the explanation part of this poem. First of all, we will start with the first stanza of this poem, first 4 lines, okay? And the lines are: sing a song of people walking fast or slow. People in the city, up and down they go. Here, the poet suggests the readers to appreciate and criticize modern people with a song. He describes them as never resting people of the city. They are always up to go somewhere. It means sing a song of people walking fast or slow. We have to sing a song for that people who are walking fast or slow. People in the city, up and down they go. Sing a song of people is a poem that explains the fast pacing world. It tells us how everyone is in a hurry. It does not matter where the people are going, the hurrying up is constant. Let's start with the second stanza of this poem. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus, people passing in back and front of us. Here poet says that we can see busy people everywhere around us, as on the sidewalk, on the bus, on the subway. Subway means underground passage for people to cross. Sidewalk means footpath, okay? So we can see them everywhere, on the subway, on the bus, on the sidewalk, everywhere. You will find walking people on the sidewalks and on the buses as well. Am I right? It says that you will find people in front of you as well as behind you. But they will always be through, that too in a hurry. People on the subway, underneath the ground, people riding taxis round and round and round. It means we see them passing around us. This goes on and on the sidewalk, on the subway, underneath the ground, as well as riding taxis also. We can see them everywhere around us. Next, the poem asks you to take a look at the people on the subway that is underneath the ground and going somewhere in a taxi. Everyone is going round and round and round and always in a hurry. Next stanza is people with their hats on going in the doors, people with umbrellas when it rains and pours. It means they are always ready to move with their hats on, and if it rains they walk under umbrellas, but they never stop. Moreover, the poem tells us that nothing stops people when they are in a hurry. Even then, if there is too much sun, they will put their hats on and go on about their work. They cannot stop. Similarly, if it is raining, people would not want for the rain to stop. Instead, they will take an umbrella and go wherever they want to. The hurriedly, the sun, the rain, no one can stop that people who are in a hurry. Come to the next stanza of this poem. People in tall buildings and in stores below, riding elevators, up and down they go. You can see them moving here and there, even in tall buildings and in stores also, using elevators. Elevators means beta moving stairs, okay? The moving stairs to lift them up or to bring them down. Come to the next stanza of this poem. People walking singly, people in a crowd, people saying nothing, people talking loud. It means sometimes they are seen walking alone, while sometimes in a crowd, sometimes in silent, and sometimes speaking aloud. Here the poem states that even though everyone is walking individually, they all make up a whole crowd. In other words, while they are separated, they are still united. Some people will talk aloud, while some are keep quiet by their nature, like Jane, okay? People laughing, smiling, grumpy people too, people who just hurry and never look at you. People laughing, smiling, grumpy people too, people who just hurry and never look at you. It means they are of different kinds and shows different behaviors. They can be sunny, full of laughter, or ill-tempered, but all are in a hurry and they hardly notice. Here the poet says that you will see people laughing, smiling, being grumpy, but they will never look around you. So the poem asks you to sing a song of people who will keep coming and going. You will see them, but you will never know them, as everyone in a hurry. Now this is the last stanza of this poem. Last 4 lines. Sing a song of people who like to come and go. Sing of city people you see but never know. The poet concludes and saying that we should sing a song of people although we do not know them particularly, but we see them coming and going everywhere around us. They are city people whom we see every day around us, but we know nothing about them. With these lines, the poem helps us to take a look at the fast moving world through another perspective. It appeals us to halt and take moment, to look around and not be such a hurry at all times. So students, Sing a Song of People is a poem that explains the fast-pacing world. It tells us how everyone is in a hurry nowadays. It does not matter where the people are going. The hurrying up is constant. You will see them going here and there in a very hurried manner. Everywhere, either on a subway or on elevators. Even when it rains, it does not stop the people. Keep moving with umbrellas to reach their destination. You will see them hurrying for the taxis and riding the elevators as well. Further, it tells us how people who are even walking individually, they are ultimately a part of a big crowd. After this, the poem goes on to describe the different behaviors of people. Some like to talk in a very loud manner, while some remains quiet. No one has a time to look at others. Nobody is too busy. It is just a matter of priorities. Okay students, now let us start some difficult words of this poem. Have a look. Subway. What is the meaning of subway? Subway means underground passage for people to cross. Next word is underneath. Underneath means below. Next word is elevators. Elevators means lift. In another way we can say that moving stairs also, okay. Next word is grumpy. Grumpy means ill-tempered. Next word is singly. Singly means alone. Next is sidewalk. Sidewalk means beta footpath, okay. Okay students, let us write the opposite of the following words. First word is slow. Fast, back, front, below, above, loud, slow, up, down, tall, short, crowd, alone, go, come. Now let's take some question answers. First question is, which modes of transport do the people use to move around in the city? Which modes of transport do the people use to move around in the city? Write down the correct answer. People use buses, autos, taxis, cars, etc. to move around in the city. People use buses, taxis, cars, etc. to move around in the city. Come to the next question. Next question is, what are the things that the people carry with them while moving around? What are the things that the people carry with them while moving around? The answer is, people carry hats, umbrellas, handbags, briefcases, etc. with them while moving around. People carry hats, umbrellas, handbags, briefcases, etc. with them while moving around. Come to the next question. Where all do you find these very busy people? Where all do you find these very busy people? And the answer is, I find these very busy people on roads, on sidewalks, on subway, in lifts, in stores at bus stop, shopping malls, etc. Come to the next question. Where have you seen crowds of people? Where have you seen crowds of people? And the answer is, I have seen crowds of people around the railway stations, bus stops, hospitals, shopping malls, cinema halls, fairs and parties, etc. Okay. Next question is, why do you think all these people are in a hurry? Why do you think all these people are in a hurry? And the answer is, all these people are in a hurry because they have to do a lot of work in limited time. Okay students, it's over for today. Write down all these difficult words in your fair copy and learn it also. If you have any queries, any doubt regarding this poem, you can ask me. Till then, stay at home, be safe and keep studying. Okay? Goodbye.